Of all the features we built into our Varden vertical garden kit, maybe the best one is the fact that all the components are made in America and all of them are assembled in our warehouse in St. Louis, Missouri by good old American citizens. And you can see all the parts and pieces here, and many of them are custom designed by our staff, and we have them either produced ourselves or produced here in St. Louis by other manufacturers. And then we inventory and ship our Varden outdoor kits right from here in St. Louis. You can see that there are lots of components and lots of care that goes into the assembly of every box. Our goal is to provide a meaningful sized vertical garden so that our customers can garden anywhere. And we wanted to do it with a product that was durable, long-lasting, highly productive, and would enable people to garden for many, many years and get the maximum return out of their investment. I think we've hit the mark. Enjoy.